If you're taking the March SAT but can't solve this question in less than 30 seconds, save this video now. Okay, ready, this is a bit of a longer one. So the very first step is to make a big list. Now, our very first equation here is that the surface area of rectangular prism X is equal to 58. So the surface area of a rectangular prism is 2 times length times width plus 2 times length times height plus 2 times width times height. So now this is our surface area for rectangular prism X. Now for rectangular prism Y, we're going to do the exact same thing, so 2 times length times width, plus 2 times length times height, plus 2 times width times height, but this time that's equal to 1450. Now, the key thing over here is that the length, width, and height of rectangular prism X is not the same as the length, width, and height of rectangular prism Y. In order to differentiate that, we need to add 1 next to each of these variables. That way Desmos knows that, okay, these are two different values. But here's the key thing. Because these two are similar, right? These are two similar rectangular prisms. That means that the length, width, and height from X are all multiplied by the same value to get the length, width, and height of Y. So let's tell Desmos that, okay? We're going to say that, okay, length 1 is equal to length times some value A. Now for the next one, we can do W1, and this is going to be equal to some value A times W. And finally, for height, we get that H1 is equal to H times some value A. Now, the next thing that we're given is the volume of rectangular prism Y, which means that for the formula, that'd be length 1 times width 1 times height 1. This is the volume formula for a rectangular prism. That is equal to 1250. So let's type that out. Finally, to solve what the question is asking, the sum of the two volumes of rectangular prism X and Y, all we need to do is say, okay, the volume of rectangular prism X, which is length times width times height, plus the volume of rectangular prism Y, L1, W1, H1. And we get 1260 for our answer.